What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be playing around with some makeup. I don't really have anything new to share with you guys. I did get this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I have to say I've tried it out a few times. I'm not in love with it. I don't think it's great for mature skin. It does last all day long. Like, you can wear it from morning until night and it doesn't budge, but it will settle into fine lines and wrinkles. So if you use this, make sure you moisturize very well before you use it. But yeah, I have just missed you guys. I haven't been on here and filmed in so long. Life has just been busy. And honestly, I just needed a little bit of a break from filming because filming really does take up a little bit of my time. And with having 2 kids and everything like that, I just haven't had the time to sit down and film. But I've had a few of my girls be like, where are you at? We miss you. So I'm making my comeback. We're coming back and I'm going to try to do my 2 videos every week. I've been creating videos for 3 or 4 years now and I just haven't really had a decent break. I've taken a week off here and there, but nothing really like this last time. I think I'm almost at like 3 months now. So I'm like, okay, I need to come back. We need to get back into the swing of things. I already have my eyebrows done and I have them primed with concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Timeless Treasures P. Louise palette. I love this palette. A friend of mine sent this to me and I do love using this palette. It has some really beautiful shades in here. It has a drawer that pulls out just like every shade that you need in here. Starting off, I'm going to go into this shade here and I'm just going to start putting that in the crease and I'm going to work it up to my brow. So tell me, is everybody ready for Christmas? Because I am. I'm like so excited this year. I got done so early. I've been done for a few weeks now. Thank you, Jesus, for that. I have to say, this is like the first year I've ever really gotten done this early, so happy for that. If you could literally see my makeup room right now, it is full of Christmas boxes. I always decorate my house for Christmas, and I mean, I have like tons of stuff. I decorate my whole house. I put up 3 trees this year. Normally I put up 2. This year I went ahead and put a tree in my bedroom and it looks so cute. I love it. I'm like, I don't know what has taken me so long to do that. But I will have to like go through and shoot a little short video or something and post it on here so you guys can see what my house looks like because it looks so good. I love it. So now I'm going to go into this shade here. I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. I've been actually going around to a few like thrift stores and just like getting Christmas stuff. My kids are like, you're going to be decorating until Christmas. And I'm like, that is possible because I still have a few things to hang up. My husband just hasn't had a chance to hang those up for me yet. But I mean, I have found some good things at the thrift store. And I'm sorry, but with prices the way they are, I like to thrift because buying stuff brand new sometimes is a little pricey. Just going back in with that very first shade and I'm going to buff out the edge. What else have I been into? My kids are homeschooled, so they started back with their schooling, so that's been keeping me super busy. Also, another thing that's been keeping me super busy has been organizing. I don't know what it is, but I've been going through and organizing like everything in my house. It's really good though. It makes me very happy. You can find everything. It's not all cluttered up. I'll have to show you some of the things that I've been doing around the house as far as organizing as well. Okay, so for my shimmer, I'm not sure what I want. I'm like, do I want this shade or do I want this shade? This one I feel is pulling more orangey. This one, I think I'm going to go with this one. This one's a little darker. And I'm just going to use my finger and tap this one on. Yes, that's pretty. P. Louise has some of the best formulas I love. I just love P. Louise. I think they are so good. What else have I been into? I've been having to go to the dentist a little bit here lately, so that's been an issue a little bit. I thought I was going to get one problem fixed and it ended up being like 8 different problems, and I'm like, I didn't realize I had this many problems going on, but you know how that goes. You go to fix one thing and they find 8 more. It's fine. I'm almost done with the dentist, so that's nice. But sometimes I feel like dentists will just drag it out. Like, they only want to fix one little thing at a time. And it's like, please just, can you get this done for me? I would like to be done now. I don't want to have to keep coming back here. I'm going to go in the waterline with this black eyeliner. This is a new product for me too. This is Wonder Skin. This is a long wearing eyeliner, and it is a very long wearing eyeliner. It does last in the waterline so long. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up. And I also do want to take my Fenty Diamond Balm and just put right on top. I just love the sparkle that this adds. I just think it looks so pretty. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And I did pick up this L'Oreal Extensionist mascara. This I got off the TikTok shop. I don't think you can get it in stores yet. I think it's just on TikTok shop right now. This mascara is good, but she is very hard to get out of your lashes. It does not want to come out of your lashes. But it definitely separates and adds length to your lashes. I'll clip my hair back a little more. For primer today, I'm going in with the P. Louise Partner in Pink. This is just a really hydrating primer, which is what you need underneath of that Estee Lauder foundation. You need very, very hydrated skin if you have more mature skin. This I got on sale. I did not pay full price for this, thank goodness, because I would probably be pretty upset if I paid full price for this foundation. This is a very pricey foundation. This is like $52, I think it retails for. Expensive. Not what I thought it was going to be. It doesn't come with a pump, which is a bummer. Like, why wouldn't it come with a pump? I don't understand. But this one is in the shade Bone. So I just pour it onto my sponge and add it like that. The coverage is beautiful. And like I said, it does wear all day long. If you're younger, this is going to be a great foundation for you. But if you're older, as you wear it throughout the day, it just settles into your smile lines and to any fine lines that you have, and it's just, I don't know, I guess I've gotten so used to wearing more serum like foundations that I'm like, my goodness, this isn't a very skin like foundation. It's definitely going to give you coverage and long wear, but I'm gonna use it. Thank goodness I literally had a coupon for this, so I got it for half off. So I only paid like $27 for this foundation. Thank goodness, because I don't know. I do think the color match is really good though. And I will definitely be using it because I bought it, and I always use foundations that I buy. This just isn't my favorite. I'm not sure if I would repurchase this one or not. I'm trying to do different things with it because I do want to really love it, but there's other ones that I just love more. Okay, so I'm going in with bronzer. I'm going to use this LYS stick. Now this one is so dark for me, so I'm only going to use a little. Then I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty. I love this, and I'm going to put it right on top. I'm going to use this one down the nose and here. Then I will just blend it out with my Makeup by Mario brush. If you don't have this double-ended brush, this is like totally worth your money. You will use this brush every single time. It just makes everything melt into the skin so nicely. I don't know what it is about this brush, but I just love it, especially for bronzer and blush. I've seen people using it for like foundation and stuff. I've never tried it for foundation because I like sponges for my foundation. I try to use brushes for my foundation, and honestly, I really just like a sponge. I don't know why, but I just feel like brushes always seem to make my foundation streaky, and it doesn't give me that airbrush finish like a sponge does. Cream blush, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty. This one is in the shade Latte. Love this. This is such a pretty fall color. I love that it's got like that bronzy, but it still has like a little bit of pinky undertone to it. Melts into the skin beautifully. And honestly, I've had this cream blush for so long, and I do really use it very often. It does last. Concealer, I'm going in with two different concealers today. I'm using e.l.f. in the shade Tan Walnut. This one is a little dark for me. This is usually like my summer shade. And then I'm also going to go in with a little bit of Light Sand. Now this one is very brightening, so just gonna do that. Then I'm gonna blend these out. And I do like to blend it out down the nose, under the nose, on the chin, a little on the forehead. And then I will just lightly take my sponge and just tap over everything. because I want everything to be melted in and just blend it nicely, because we're going to go back with powder on top of all this. Complexion looks so good. Okay, so let's go in and set. I got the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass powder. This one is in the shade Translucent. If you've never tried this powder, it is really such a great powder. It doesn't emphasize your texture, blurs your skin. A little bit of this does go such a long way. It really is just a phenomenal powder though. And I just like to press it into the skin. I'll pick it up on the powder and then I'll kind of like smooth it out into my hand and then press it in. Okay, so I'm going to go in and finish the lower lash line, and I think I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm just going to buff that out. I'm going to use Ofra highlighter today. I haven't used this one in such a long time. This is such a beautiful gold shade. Inner corner and brow bone. I love it. So pretty. For bronzer, I'm going in with the NYX Buttermelt Bronzer. I'm taking it on my big fan brush. I just really like this brush for bronzer. Got this brush from Shop Miss A for $1. That was a few years ago, so it's probably more expensive now. Everything has gone up, but I love this for the neck. You can just bring it down. The nose, it's like just perfect for everything. Blush today, I'm going in with Burt's Bees blush. This is such a beautiful shade. This one is in the shade Toasted Cinnamon. I just love it. I think it looks so good when you're doing like bronzy makeup. Taking the same brush, and I'm just gonna dip right into my highlighter and add right over top. I've been loving to use my blush brush for my highlighter just so you don't have like that stripe. Spreads it out like a little more even. Let's go in and finish the lower lashes with a little mascara. And I will just hit the top lashes one more time just to get any powder or anything out of the lashes. I'm just going to take a little bit of brow gel and run through the brows. Now I'm going to set everything, and I'm going to use 2 setting sprays. I'm going to use the Hard Candy Glow On Lock. Now you do have to shake this one well. This is probably my favorite setting spray right now. It just brings your skin right back to life. It gives you a beautiful like glow from within. Okay, so now that one is dry, I'm going to go in with my Milani Make It Last. This has been a staple in my collection for years. I just feel like this one locks it in and it's not going to go anywhere for all day. Let's do a lip combo for the day. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but we're just going with it. I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Espresso Martini Lip Liner. This is like one of my favorite lip liners to use. I love the color. I mean, it's just such a pretty like neutral brown lip liner. It goes with so many different lipsticks. Kylie, I think, is going to be too orangey, so I don't want that one. I feel like this NYX could go with the blush. Let's try that. That's not bad. I think I'm going to take a little bit of this. What is this? I don't even know. It's no more off. I think this is Laura Lee. Okay, let's go in with Chestnut from MAC and define the lips. Then I'll go back in with Espresso Martini and blend out. Just to give it like a little bit of gradients. I'm like, should I top it with a glitter? I don't feel like I should. I like the matte. I think I'm going to leave it matte. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I am so happy to be back filming. I wanted to come back before Christmas. I didn't want to wait. At first I was going to wait until the new year, and I was like, no, let me go ahead and just come back because I miss you guys so much. I miss hanging out with you and having girl time. I miss hearing from you guys. So please let me know down in the comments, are you ready for Christmas? And what you've been up to for the last couple months, because I do truly love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for hanging out and having girl time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!